Today on the Thrive Learning Center, we are going to talk about TMJ. TMJ stands for temporomandibular joint, or as it is better known, the jaw. A lot of people suffer needlessly with jaw pain. The temporomandibular joint attaches the jaw to the skull, and it is a simple hinge joint with a synovial cushion. However, it has a very low tolerance for misalignment. We can injure the joint with trauma, overuse, or what I usually see a lot of in patients is that they have had recent dental care. A slightly misaligned TMJ can cause severe headaches, localized pain, pain with chewing, and radiating pain into the head or neck regions. A misaligned TMJ will sometimes click and maybe even lock up. Patients who have TMJ pain very often are willing to do extraordinary things to reduce their pain, like wearing expensive and bulky appliances from dental professionals, or even have their jaw surgically broken and reset. Surprisingly, it is usually easily fixed and adjustments do not very often need to be repeated. So start your pain-free journey today with Thrive Chiropractic. Are you ready to thrive instead of just survive? Let's get started.